This 2008 Volkswagen Touareg 2 is brought to you by Autolinx Motors. No accident, past mechanical inspection, service history, just serviced, brand new brakes and rotors, full loaded, navigation, backup camera, PARK-TRONIC sensor, xenon lights, leather, sunroof, and more. Very good condition all-wheel drive SUV. Take advantage of our unbeatable prices. Please visit our website for more information and pictures. www.autolinxmotors.com or call us at 604-526-9889. Our toll-free number 1-888-254-4324. Up to 3 years warranty available. $450 documentation fee and %12 tax to be applied. CL number 40177. Visit us at autolinxmotors.com.